Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of the 16th to the 22nd of June. We have 2 freebies in this flyer and a lot of magic, so I'm really enjoying this. Check your digital coupons folder at the very top if you might have this booster, which is a 10 back when you spend 40. And this is a digital booster, an example of it. So when I'm saying use it with a booster, without a booster, this is the booster. And there's also paper ones that also connect with these, but this is your digital booster that I'm referencing. Okay, and also happy Father's Day. On the 16th, it is in fact Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the coupon dads out there. And also on the 16th, which is Sunday, the full ad and all of the digital coupons will be published in the Walgreens app. So please treat this video as a preview. We're not working with 100% information as of yet. On Thursday, I made this video using the 5 back when you spend 20 on Walgreens paper products. And a lot of us were scoring big using other register rewards from deals that week. If you wish to check it out, depending if you have this paper booster and you can line it up perfectly, I will link the video at the end. But to pay $1.20 for a 6-pack of paper towel, totally what it's about. Celebration of Father's Day, you can put in an order for a free 8x10 print through the Walgreens app and then use the code TYDAD and it should zero out to free. This is 1 per store card. Deal of the week is the $1.99 Arm & Hammer that's back, and I think we have the scent beads, the liquid detergent, and probably the pods are included as well, however, which way you want to go. The easiest deal would be to grab 5 for $9.95 and then utilize $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, and then just pay down the tax. And you're doing this deal with no booster because you're using Walgreens cash. But it's a way to stock up on 5 of these detergent products, and especially if you are trying to, bulk up your stockpile for newer couponers, smart deal. Don't be shy to look around the store, just not in the regular detergent aisle. Near the photo counter, they have these end caps, like at the end of an aisle. That's called an end cap. And if you look at the bottom, this is right near photo, you got all of your Arm & Hammer right there. And then for a laugh, if you want to look at the top, it's the Walgreens brand like Gain knockoff. My hand is bigger than those bottles. They are so tiny. But if you want to take a look at them, pretty funny. Okay, so a friend of mine actually shared this info with me. There is going to be a coupon to scan in the flyer. So you're going to have to find that flyer. They print a couple of them out at the front of the store, and there's going to be a barcode, and it's going to make these Doritos $1.99 with that barcode, and it's a limit of 1. So I'm thinking it's 1 per transaction, but typically these bags at Walgreens are like $5.49. So for $1.99, if you're going to the store a couple times in a week, I would definitely stock up. Back to another Tresemme deal. We're looking for the Tresemme at $6, $5 reward when you buy 2, and it says up to 5 off, so I'm assuming that's a 5 off 2 digital. If it's a 5 off 3, this is a different deal, but typically this manufacturer gives it to us for like a dollar each. So buying 2 of these Tresemmes, that's 12, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 7, get back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per bottle. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But Sunday we have to double, triple check that digital coupon, 5 off 2 or 5 off 3. It's always usually the 5 off 2, but who knows? Maybe they're going to change things up. We'll have to wait and see. Guess what's back? Our best friend, which is the Tide Pods and the Tide Liquid for $12.99. $4 reward when you buy 2, and $3 coupon off of the Tide Liquid and the Tide Pods. Grabbing 1 of each, that's $25.98. Subtracting $6 in digitals, you'll pay $19.98 out of pocket. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $15.98 for the 2 or $7.99 per detergent. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But since this would take up $25.98 of a $40 basket, I would definitely throw this into a booster basket. I think that would work really well. And then if you're using this in concert with a booster, you obviously have to use your debit card to pay down the balance. Now the Scott paper, buy one, get one 50% off. We have a $1 digital coupon. If you head over to your Shop Miam, there's also a $1 rebate, so make sure you have that one locked and loaded. Grabbing 2 of the Scott toilet paper, that'll be exactly $7.50. Subtracting your 1 digital, you'll pay $6.50 out of pocket. Get that receipt and then submit it to the Shop Miam app for an extra $1 back, making it $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per Scott, which is a very good price. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. So this is the first of our 2 freebies. We're looking for a Crest and an Oral-B product at $3, and typically there's a $2 and a $1 coupon off, and then a 3 back when you buy 2, a register reward. So grabbing 2 $3 products, a brush and a paste, subtracting your $3 in digitals, you're going to pay $3, get back a $3 register reward, making it free. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Very cheap Nivea body wash on a buy one, get one 50% off. And then we have a 5 off 2 digital and then a $5 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these at $7.49 on a BOGO 50% off. That's $11.23. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $6.23 out of pocket. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1.23 for the 2 or 61 cents per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, and this is just a smart deal any which way you look at it. Another superb deal is with the soft soap, hand soap at $5.99, and we have a 4 off 2 digital. So these are the ones you're looking for. So look for them in the aisle with the body wash, or they might be near the shampoos merchandise, but these larger ones. I mean, this is a lot of hand soap if this is your thing. So it's on this goofy promotion of buy 2, get back a $2 register reward. And we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So it's on the soft soap products and Irish Spring, and this is in fact included. So I would grab 2 of these. So 2 of these hand soaps is $11.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $7.98 out of pocket. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. The final deal that we have is a freebie. We're looking for 2 Colgate products priced at $4 a pop, and we're going to get back a $3 register reward when you buy 2. We have this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 2. Please make sure you have it loaded for this deal. And if you did this last week, I don't believe you can do it 2 weeks consecutive, as a manufacturer coupon is of a one-time use. Grabbing 2 of these for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $3, get back a $3 register reward, making it free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, so now we're going to look at some quick honorable mentions. The first one goes to the Nexus or Shea Moisture Hair Care. There were some larger containers that were $16 last week. I know they were only tagged till the 15th, so I'm wondering if that sale on those larger ones will continue, because I know Fetch was giving back like 5,000 points when you spend 30, and that's also part of summer if you might have that booster. So any which way we can line it up, this might be potentially a deal to be on the lookout for. The much larger bottles, that $3 digital was not attaching, so we'll have to investigate that a little bit more, maybe earlier in the week, if I can line that up perfectly. Now, 3 for $9 on the Dawn Febreze Mr. Clean. I'm wondering if there might be some nice digital coupons to go with these products. But $3 a pop, if you have a bunch of register rewards to burn, I'm thinking the Dawn dish soap's looking pretty good for me. And then we have a buy 2, get 2 for free on the Pepsi products. Last week it was Coke. This week it's Pepsi. Whichever is your favorite, putting them with the $1.99 Doritos. You have snacks for your summer cookout for the whole summer. And then we have BOGO 50% off on various skincare products right till the end of the month. That's it for this video, guys. We will catch you in the next one. Bye.